Welcome to our one-stop portal for creating and managing your own website. With our services, you can easily start your own sites online with just a few clicks of the mouse. With our easy-to-use control panel and our one-click popular web applications installer, you will be able to register a unique name for each of your sites, a domain name, so your target visitors will easily find you among other sites on the web. You can choose your first domain name at sign-up with plenty of extensions to choose from. You can register a brand new domain or transfer your existing domain over to us. Or you can simply host it for free. The point-and-click domain manager tool integrated into your web hosting control panel will give you full control over each of your domains. We give you tons of features. You can lock your domain to avoid unsolicited transfers, edit its name servers to point them to another host, set custom DNS records, generate an EPP key for transfer operations, create subdomains, which means you can separate other sites under your main domain. Also set parking pages to point your newly registered domains to where you want them to go. Also make URL redirections and even create emails. You can edit your Whois information and, if you want, hide your personal or business details from the public eye by enabling Whois protection. Now, if you need some help, we have quick video tutorials that will guide you through the domain controls. And in case you need any more help managing your domains and sites, our support team will be with you 24/7, and they'll be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. Last but not least, we guarantee that your sites will be online 99.9% of the time. So sign up with us today and get absolute control and security for your sites.